Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Openrock earbuds and I'm going to tell you the top triggers of this device. So, at first we have the application. We can manage our headphones using the application. The application is called Openrock. Apart from that, we have a lot of cool features preventing the hearing damage using the max volume emitter, or something like the reminder about overtime hearing. We can prevent, of course, the hearing damages using that options. Apart from that, we can easily switch between different equalizer presets or create our custom one. It's a very cool and very simple process. The very top trick of this device is, for example, that we have a very cool spatial audio feature and the LDAC codec. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.